Now I have a short little video here that shows you the basic components of a clamped connection. You will have, in this case, this is a location plate that goes in between the steel members. It is pre-drilled. You're using standard hardware such as A325, A490, or grade 5 bolts. And then our Lindapter clamps. And as you can see, they're spinning it around. This is a typical 4-clamp connection. Okay, but as you can see, fairly straightforward. Imagine if you were trying to weld this type of a connection. I have been told by welders that to do a proper weld of this would take you approximately 10, maybe 15 minutes in the field, depending upon if it's done in frigid conditions, things where you have to warm the steel up, etc. But they can clamp this together in less than 5. So if that's the case, we're talking probably double the labor rate to weld it, but you could have a standard labor at half the labor rate doing it in half the time. So there is a significant cost savings by going to the clamping system.